Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Focus tail light. First, open your vehicle's trunk to gain access to the tail light area. You will then need to locate the small access panel situated directly behind the tail light assembly. Carefully pull this panel away from the vehicle's interior to release its retaining tabs. This step provides clear access to the mounting hardware, preparing you for the next. With the access panel removed, you will see 2 or 3 plastic wing nuts or nuts holding the tail light assembly in place. These are typically found on threaded bolts. Turn each of these fasteners counterclockwise to loosen and remove them completely. If any of the plastic nuts are particularly tight, a pair of pliers can be used gently to help break them free, but be careful not to damage the plastic. The Ford Ranger Raptor is built for high-speed off-roading, especially in desert environments. It boasts specialized Fox live valve internal bypass shocks, which adapt damping in real time for incredible control over rough terrain. Powered by a twin-turbo 3.0-liter V6 engine, it produces 405 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque. With a wider track and robust suspension, the Ranger Raptor is designed to conquer dunes and open trails with impressive speed and stability. To reinstall, first connect the electrical harness to the new tail light assembly, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Then, align the tail light with its mounting holes and push it firmly into the vehicle body until any clips snap. From inside the trunk, reattach the 2 or 3 plastic nuts, turning them clockwise until snug. Finally, replace the interior access panel. Always test your brake, turn signal, and running lights to confirm everything works correctly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.